Y'all, we back with another one. Smoky. Y'all, look. Yeah, someone said they like my dog. Oh. Come here, bud. Come here. Y'all, he don't listen. Come here. Oh, never mind. He gotta take a poop. Let's not look at it. I don't need to look at him poop. But he mixed, y'all. So if y'all wanted to know. He my pride and joy, y'all. This is my only baby, for real. I just bought him some treats today, y'all. Look at him, like, because I didn't know what type of food he eat. And he stopped eating because he was sick. So I had to fix that. So I gave him some. Barking at people. That's not good. Sit down. Sit down. Stay. Y'all, he being bad. He being bad. Don't move. Don't move. Stay. Say bye. Say bye. Come here. Look. You smell something, don't you? All right, y'all. It's hot. We about to go. So, see y'all later.